Hi guys, welcome back to Valentino TV, and today I am going to be showing you how to do a multicolored French. So let's get to it. So I've already pre-prepped my nail. So make sure you guys check out my previous video on prepping. So I'm going to create the extension of the nail surface with my Cover Prettiest pink. I think it's my ultimate favorite. Let's create a nice smile line. I'm gonna apply my first bead, and I am going to drag it with the tip of my brush into the desired length that I want my smile line to be. Now with my brush, I am going to shape my smile line and create those walls. So now I'm adding my second bead just to finish off the extension of the nail bed. So now I'm gonna be using our latest version. It's kind of like a pastel collection, and I'm gonna start with a purple. I'm gonna go against my smile line. Make sure you clean the sides. And I will be blending all these colors together. I'm gonna go ahead with my pink on the other side of my smile line and blending it with my purple as well. I'm adding a little bit more of purple and blending it against my pink. Now, since they are on the wetter side, they blend very well together. Now I'm gonna grab blue, and with my brush I blend it in with the rest of my colors, and I'm gonna go with a dab of yellow, and again blending. I'm adding a second layer, and then I'm going to encapsulate some confetti in here. So now I'm gonna use this base because it's still wet. It's perfect for me to start applying my confetti. When we are encapsulating, we don't want to add a lot of thickness since it will be a couple of layers. So now I'm gonna cap that with clear. So I'm grabbing a nice wet bead to encapsulate. If you don't have thin layers, what will happen is when you start filing, you're gonna file off all your glitter. So now I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes for it to dry off, and I am going to start the filing process. So now I'm going to clean the dust from the nail surface, and we're going to apply the top coat. So now we're gonna cure for 1 minute. So I hope you guys like the multicolored French. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and turn on those post notifications if you wanna see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.